Sometime one man's courage can define an entire nation, and that man was Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan. He was born on 15 March 1977. Major Sandeep was part of Elite 51 Action Group of NSG. On 26/11, when terror struck Mumbai, he was deployed to rescue the hostages from the Taj Hotel. Smoke, fire, and chaos was everywhere, but he didn't hesitate. He told his team that no one will be left behind and led the team to straight to the heart of danger. He saved many hostages and went inside to save a wounded comrade. That's when he was shot in the line of fire. His last words were, "Do not come up, I will handle them myself." Salute to Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan, the man who lived and died for the duty. Jai Hind.